Hello and welcome back to How to Be a Terminal Pro. This is Jesse Shaw, and in this video we'll be configuring Apache on Mac OS X. So there are a couple of things that I would like to do. First, I would like to change our default web sharing folder to our users sites folder. So to show you what I mean, I'll turn on web sharing here in System Preferences. And by default, the personal website folder, or in our Finder, you can see it's in our sites here. I have to type my local IP address and then this tilde and then the username. So if I click on that, it opens it up. But if I just go to localhost, then it loads up this very obscure folder, which is in library, web server documents. So I'd like to change that so whenever we type in localhost, it just goes to our user sites folder. So we can go ahead and do that by opening up the terminal here. And we will change directory into the Apache folder, which is in etc/apache2. And we'll list out the contents. So what we'll be working with is httpd.conf. So if you don't have this httpd.conf.default, I would highly recommend making a copy of this before we start editing it. So I'll just make another copy. And you need super user privileges to do this. So I'll name it .conf.today, but you can put in today's date or whatever you like. Then you need to type in an administrator password. And now we can go ahead and edit the file. So we'll say sudo nano httpd.conf. Now I'm going to hit Control W for where is, and then I need to say document root. And I'm going to hit Control W again. So we're looking for the second one here. And see where it says library web server documents? We just need to erase this part here. So we'll backspace all of that and then just put in our sites folder. So that's js/sites. And then we'll do Control W again. So we're looking for the second one. And it also tells me this should be changed to whatever you set document root to. So we'll go ahead and change this as well. /sites. We'll write out the file and get out of there. And now we need to restart Apache. So we'll say sudo apache ctl restart. So now if we go into our browser and type in localhost, it will load up my user's sites directory. So I see I just have this index.php file here. Now the reason that this isn't being loaded up as our default document is because we don't have the PHP module enabled. So see how I can see the PHP tags there? I know that it's not working. So that's what we will do now. So let's go back into the terminal and we're going to edit this httpd.conf file again. And we'll do Control W and just do a search for PHP 5. So we'll hit enter, and I see that this line is commented out. So it says load module PHP 5 underscore module. We just need a backspace to get rid of that hashtag there. We'll write out the file and then restart Apache. And if we reload the page, it works. So I just have hello world there, but no PHP tags. All right, well, the very last thing that I'd like to show you is how to enable htaccess overrides. So let's go back into my sites directory here. I'll list out the contents, but all of them. So let's go ahead and create a deny from all htaccess. So I'm just echoing deny from all, and I'm putting that in the file htaccess. So if I reload the page here, see how it's not working? So we need to go back into our Apache directory. So we'll change directory to etc/apache2. List out the contents, and now we're going to go into users. So I need to cd users. List out the contents. So this is on a per user basis. So I can go ahead and edit js.conf, but I'm going to make a backup just in case I mess anything up here. So we'll say cp js.conf, and we'll name that js.conf.today. So we just made a copy of it, and now we can edit the original. Okay. So for options, we will just get rid of this here, and we'll put all there. So we'll allow all these overrides. And then for allow override, we'll put all there as well. So now we can write out the file, get out of there, restart Apache, Now whenever we reload this page here, it says forbidden, so I know that my htaccess file is working. Alright, so that just about wraps it up for this video. Next time I will show you how to customize the terminal. I'll see you then.